This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing one strong base photo and any secondary images for overlays. Open Picsart, tap New Project, and import that base image. Make sure it's high-res. Crop to 16:9 or square depending on where you'll post. Use the grid to align the subject off-center. Once done, lower exposure or increase contrast slightly to create a clean base. These first adjustments make later effects blend naturally, so take a moment to get tone and composition right. Next, you build the birthday look by adding layers. Import balloons, confetti, or cake stickers on separate layers so you can move and edit independently. Use blend modes like screen for light elements and overlay for color depth. Adjust opacity between 10% and 70% to avoid hard edges. Mask unwanted parts with the eraser set to a 0, 5 brush for soft fades. Add text on its own layer, pick a bold font, and apply a subtle drop shadow so the message reads clearly over busy backgrounds. Finally, you polish the image. Apply small global adjustments, sharpen slightly, reduce noise if needed, and fine-tune color balance so skin tones look natural. Once satisfied, export as PNG for layered sharing or JPG at 80% quality to keep file sizes under 10 MB for social apps. If something goes wrong, use undo or reset the transform on the problematic layer. Make sure each sticker text or graphic stays on its own layer so you can reposition without rebuilding the whole design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.